In this video, we're going to be reporting on who completed a specific campaign goal. In my opinion, this is probably one of the most important reports to be aware of because, of course, that's how we push along the automation. Got to make sure people are hitting goals. So this is very important to understand how to report on. So like the other ones, we're going to be looking at navigating to reporting mode and then the goal completion report itself. So inside Infusionsoft, hover over the navigation, and in the marketing section, we're going to go to the campaign builder. And then we're going to need to go into a campaign that's published and has some campaign activity in it. So I know for a fact that this recent newsletter does have some goal activity. When it loads, we're going to go ahead and click to reporting. And then we're going to change the date range to be either the last 24 hours or the 30 days. It doesn't really matter, because from here, we can go ahead and hover over the goal and click on the blue person icon, and this will bring up the list of everybody that has achieved this particular goal. Now by default, you can choose either 24 hours or 30 days worth of history. However, if you click on the edit criteria columns, you can customize the day range on this particular report. So for example, if I wanted to see if we've had any clicks in the last week, I can go ahead and set the completion date to be within the past week. In this case, it's an older newsletter, so I'm not expecting any activity. You can also access this report directly from our marketing reports, and it lives under the campaign goal completion. In the next video, we're going to look at creating custom confirmation links inside Campaign Builder.